Should I get the Facecam or the Razer Kiyo? Let's talk about it. Right now I'm using the Facecam, and here is the Razer Kiyo. Both cameras are side by side to show you the video quality. Right now I'm using a nice bright light. For lighting, I'm using the GMV lighting kit, and it's around $200, so it's more premium, but you can always use a ring light or a cheaper backlight, just to show you an example. But this looks amazing. Both of these are 1080-60, and they look so smooth, and they look amazing. The software is amazing on the Facecam. You have ISO, you have multiple controls that you don't have on any other webcam, except for the Insta360. Now, the Insta360 is another great webcam, but that's a little bit pricier. And the Razer Kiyo has software, but you can't use it on Mac. So right now, I'm just using the Ecamm software, Ecamm Live, just to show you to fix anything that looks a little bright or anything, because it doesn't work on Mac. So that's one of the cons, but you can get other software to work with the camera. So if you're a PC streamer and you're really on a budget, maybe you would go with this. Or this is a great webcam, but you need a little tweaking. Hopefully Razer makes a software that you can use on a Mac, but so far they haven't. Now, both of these look amazing. The Facecam is $170. It looks pretty decent, and you can find the Facecam on sale for like $150. Now, the Razer Kiyo is $100, and you can find amazing deals on that. I picked it up for $90. So, great webcam, both of them. But if you're a gamer or a streamer, both of these cameras look amazing and sound amazing. Now, one of the pros of the Facecam is you have no mic. Now, I'm using a fancy Sennheiser mic that I like to use, but it shows you that Elgato is listening to customers because you don't want any bad audio. Now, the Razer Kiyo has an inbuilt mic. I don't want to make your ears cry, so maybe another video. I love these two webcams, and if you're on a budget, I would recommend both of them. If you're just getting started and you want a better webcam than the C920, something easy, I would recommend both. But tell me in the comments down below, what do you think? Because this is my own opinion, I have my own opinion, but you also have your own opinion, and all this video has been really on the webcam, so see ya in the next one. Tell me in the comments down below, which one do you like better? Peace out and bye.